Voto ka yagya, ladies and gentlemen. I'll get reactions first. We have Sanju and Shantanu with us on one side. But what do you think, Atikur Rahman, Abbas Haider, Voto ka yagya? It's a very wonderful concept that we have to take the country forward और यज्ञ होनी चाहिए. सब लोग समर्पित हो जाए देश के लिए, राष्ट्र हित के लिए, वोटों का यज्ञ हो. I think it's a more powerful slogan than vote ki jihad. Exactly. Because the positive sentiment attached to it, sacrifice, yagya. I'm telling you, the way people are responding to it since morning, this will trend. Atik, voto ka yagya. Aap bhi kariye voto ka yagya.
Yeah, the statement is quite moronic for me, Arnab.
Moronic.
Because as I know, yeah, and a juvenile also, and you said rightly that this will be contributing to the India alliance. This thing, people will, understand that why to vote for such a leader in Maharashtra, which is having such a juvenile, thoughts in his mind. So, yeah, as far as I know, Yagna is also having an aspect of, burning something, which is, giving swaha.
कुछ पता नहीं है आपको, कुछ पता नहीं है आपको. जो आयु के no कुछ पता नहीं है.
Sanju may correct, but he wants to burn the real votes. That means he has done something to the EVM. He wants only the votes which are
चलिए रिएक्शन लेते हैं दोस्तों. 1 second, let me tell you one thing. आतिकुर रहमान, आपको हिंदू धर्म, हिंदू सिविलाइजेशन, हिंदू सोच और संस्कृत के बारे में आप कुछ नहीं पता है. नहीं तो आप ऐसी बात नहीं करते. Yagya is a Sanskrit word. Yagya is a Sanskrit word.
means what?
ये पर्शियन वर्ड नहीं है, ये संस्कृत वर्ड है.
And jihad is an
ये उर्दू वर्ड नहीं है, संस्कृत वर्ड है.
Jihad is an Arabic term. What do you know about jihad?
अरे मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. आप तो जिहाद को जस्टिफाई कर रहे थे, तो मुझे यज्ञ को जस्टिफाई करने दीजिए. यज्ञ means worship or honor. Yag means worship or honor. As per Hindu scriptures, Yagya means to sacrifice oneself in selfless service. So Devendra Fadnavis has called for Yagya in actual sense. He's telling all nationalists to come out and vote, which is the biggest service that a citizen can do for his own country. He's not even telling only Hindus, he's saying all nationalists. You are not anti-national, no? What is your problem? Sanju Verma.
Thank you.
Sanju Verma, is he calling out more aggressively for the Hindu voter to consolidate?
Arnab, let's be very clear. I can hear an echo, Arnab.
No, we can hear you loud and clear. Please continue. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Arnab, let's be very clear about one thing. That the ... alliance, they are at loggerheads with each other. I'll just give you a small example. A couple of weeks back, Uddhav Thackeray was at a rally at Wardha in Maharashtra. And the Congress workers snatched the mic from him. They did not allow him to speak. And he said, "Arey, me bas 5 minute bolto. Just allow me. I just want to speak for 5 minutes." Then there is a video which is going viral. I'm sure you're cognizant of it or not. In Sharad Pawar's residence, Uddhav Thackeray goes to meet him, and Sharad Pawar says, "Tumi tikde bahar thamba. Can you wait outside?" Very dismissively. I mean, I wouldn't even ask my domestic help, very dismissively if he comes to ask me something. Arey chalo hato. That kind of an attitude. And Uddhav Thackeray very meekly says, "Me bajula aahe." Yes, I'm waiting at the sidelines. I mean, look at the audacity of the ... alliance. You guys are not able to keep your flock together. 73% of Uddhav Thackeray's MLAs joined hands with Eknath Shinde. 67% of the erstwhile NCP under Sharad Pawar's aegis broke up, and they joined hands with Ajit Pawar. Maharashtra is a divided house as far as the ... alliance goes. And I want to say one very important thing, that please remember that when Uddhav Thackeray was the chief minister in 2021, they wanted to carve out quota within quota for Muslims. Already Maharashtra quota overall stands at 52%. And the Supreme Court said nothing doing. You've already exceeded the permissible quota level. Can I please finish? Arnab is the anchor. Arnab, I hate this, every evening these guys come and shout.
Atik, why waste time? Why waste time? Itna time hai. 1 minute. Atik, क्यों
Can I
ऐसा
just
करें?
finish, Atik?
You started.
No,
आपने शुरू किया. Did she tell you anything then? Did she interrupt you? Did she stop you? Did she heckle you? Was she rude to you? You see, you started, then you blame Sanju. I never protect Sanju on this. But today I must say, she listened patiently. No, what is your problem?
Why you want to burn the Vedic roots? Swaha! In a yagna it is Swaha!
This is not fair. Can you please give me my...
स्वाहा क्या बात है? What do you-
वैलिड वोट को बंद क्यों करना चाहते हो? क्या
अरे भाई
मतलब
साहब
है?
शांत हो जाइए.
अरे भाई हिंदू धर्म के बारे में कुछ
तो
पता
आवाज
नहीं है,
rebuttal.
अता पता नहीं है, यज्ञ के बारे में पता नहीं है,
वो बताओ
शास्त्रों के
ना।
बारे में पता नहीं है,
We are curious to know.
हिंदू संस्कृति के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, तो चुप रहिए ना, बोलते क्यों हैं आप
तो
इतना?
पता
Can I
है
finish?
ना।